Hello everyone, my name's Sarah Jane Georges and I work for STEPS, and we're a global behavioural change consultancy that's got 30 years experience working across a multitude of different industries, inspiring people to act differently. And we're delighted to have been invited back to the annual Powerful Women Conference. This year, we're very much looking forward to being live in the room with you, and the topic that we'll be exploring is how to have challenging, difficult and courageous conversations. So the session's for everyone, because let's be honest, all of us will have to have challenging conversations at some point in our working career. And how we'll do this is I'll be joined by some members of the STEPS team, and we use drama to bring behaviour to life. And that drama is used very much as a springboard for a discussion about the skills needed to have those courageous conversations. So we will be using the wisdom of the room as well as our 30 years of experience. We're very much looking forward to seeing you on the 22nd of November. And if you want to hear more about STEPS, please do contact me. I'll see you on the 22nd.